Now here is the exciting part. We're finally going to do the meat of homework 0, which is make a hello world program. Alright, so we've downloaded the template, we've set up Get, we've set up Emacs, and now we're ready to do this part, practicing with Emacs and Get. So click this link. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Alright, using Emacs, now going to use our new powerful Emacs skills to make a quick program showing off everything that's working and practice important steps, interacting through get add, get commit, get push. So we're going to get it running locally, then we're going to push it up, and then it will test it for us. Alright, so open the main file. Alright, so I'm going to clear this. I've already done it. So CLR, no CLS. Clear? Clear. Okay. Alright, so I'm in. You can see right there, I'm in the directory for this project, and there is a main.cpp file, so that's what I need to edit. So I'm going to type in emacs minus nw main dot that. Remember, learn to use tab, it's your friend. If I just type in, like, there's only one m file, so if I just type in n, hit tab, it would do the main. Okay, so tab is your friend when you're at the console. Alright, so here is our empty main.cpp file. Okay, so we've opened it up. Now we want to use the first macro. Okay, so we want to do meta key x and type in main. So meta key x and type in main and press enter, and voila, there is all the stuff I made you memorize last year. Include IOStream using namespace standard int main. So that did all of that for us. Awesome.
It's so beautiful.
Alright, using the skeleton main, update it so that it prints out hello world. Okay.
So right there, I'm just going to say cout hello world. Okay. And quick, remember, these go the way the data's going, so it's going from here to your console, and you got to spell it correctly. And we'll go ahead and stick an down in there.
Notice the auto type END. So there's what the company does. Does that for us. Alright, so I typed this command right here. Purposely left something out, but that's the test will catch that, just show you how that works. Alright, so I have typed in my hello world, and I'm just going to put like a X here. Okay, and I'll save it. And I'll quit. And I run this again. Now, I'm just using the up and down arrow. That's another nice thing that lets you repeat your commands. Okay, let's make this a little bit slightly bigger. Alright, so I'm going to compile it. Ooh, look, now we have an error. So that is the error command. And just like in 221, only look at the first error, but it shows you where the error is. Alright, so let's fix that. Once again, just tapping the up key. I'll get rid of that X. I'll do Control XS, Control XC. I'm using that up arrow key, and I'm recompiling it. Woohoo, it made it. I can see it. If you see it, it's right there. Hello. You can tell it's executable because it's got this X in there. That's just a little heads up. So there's your main.cpp that doesn't have an X, but this does have an X in it. Alright, so now we're going to run it. So ./hello. Okay, dot says start here, and run hello that's in this directory. I press enter, and voila, there's hello world. Alright, so we've got our program made. I'm warning you, there's a problem. We'll find the problem when we submit it. Okay, so you don't run the test until you actually submit. Alright, so let's come here. So get is the thing that's going to save it locally, and then we'll push it to the server, and then it will run the test. Alright, so I'm going to type get status, do get add main.cpp. Okay, then we do this guy, and I'm just going to copy him. So we commit. Now, don't just always paste this. You want to paste in a decent comment. Okay, we'll just use this one because this is the first time. So git comment created my hello world program. Okay, press enter. Now it's committed on my local, what I'm logged into. So it's committed in your local CS account, but it's not pushed to GitHub. All right, so now we want to push it to GitHub. Okay, so it's committed. Yay, we're done. No, now we need to push it to GitHub, and GitHub is going to run the test on it. Git push. So this is going to push it from your CS1 account or whatever machine you're on. It's going to push it up to GitHub, and it's going to run the test. Yay. Gave us a little warning, but that's fine. Counting objects done. Compressed it. Blah, blah, blah. GitHub. Completed. And I don't see the test. In theory, we should see some test here. So let me see here. Blah, blah, blah. All right, so I went into the repository and it said I got 0 of 1 points. So let's see if we can figure out how to do the auto grading. Let's click on auto grading and see here. Yeah, okay, so there's the auto grading. The output for the test did not match the expected. Okay. Hello world exclamation mark. Okay. So I purposely left off the exclamation mark. So we will see if we can get that fixed. All right, let's go back to instructions. All right, I did forget that. All right, so let's do that and see if that makes a difference. Using the up arrow key. Edit.
I'm going to add the exclamation point. Going to save it. I'm going to quit. I'm going to recompile it. I'm going to rerun it. It does work good.
I'm going to recommit it, but I'm going to say added and exclamation point. All right. Nope. Wait. Okay, I forgot something important. Okay, so I ran it, but I can't just commit. In fact, if I try to commit, it'll probably say nothing to commit, right? Change is not staged for commit. Okay, so I need to do the status first. That tells me what's changed. Then I need to add in the change file. Then I'll do the commit. And lastly, I need to push. Now it's committed, it's pushed up. Now let's go check our test over here. No, that's not the right one. There. So notice that one's got a nice green check mark. Okay. Click on actions. Click on actions. That's what I want to see. I want to see this green check mark. And this is what it should look like now. Everything looks good. Now, notice we're not through with this yet. We need to go in and we need to do a few other things on here. So we need to do some header comments and a few other things, but we'll talk about that in another video, or you can do it yourself there. Also notice there's some extra credit here at the bottom. So we'll either talk about that in another video or you can do it yourself. All right, maybe I'll see you in another video.